Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I've got something special to show you. So, my mother in law and I, while she was evacuating from the storm that hit the country recently, she came down to hang out with us in chilly Florida. Yes, because it's flipping cold here. For me, anyway, it's cold. But it's not so bad because it's staying cold, and in the afternoon it's warming up. So, as long as the wind isn't blowing, it's okay. It's the wind that, oh my gosh, it just makes it so cold. Well, my mother in law and I went shopping. Yep, we went to our bin store. We have a bin store, it's about an hour away. We decided to do a day trip. It's an hour away. We decided to go to the bin store, and I haven't done it in such a long time. I was like, yeah, let's go do that. That sounds like fun. So let's go buy stuff we don't need. Yay! So I happened to find some diamond art there. Not canvases. Well, I did find a canvas. I didn't like the image, so I left it in the bin because I'm not going to do it. I don't need it. And it was $3 day, so I didn't want to spend $3 on something I'm not going to do. So I decided I'm going to purchase the other one, any of them that I found like this, because I'm really liking these off canvas projects just to complete in between the big canvases too. And they're good for the car as well, or the truck. Well, when I'm in the car, I'm usually driving, and I can't drive and diamond paint at the same time. You just can't do that. You can ride while someone else is driving. Yes, you can diamond paint for that. So, this store, you bring up your box, they will open it and show it to you. So you can see what you're buying. You can't just open the boxes at the bin. You have to bring them to the unboxing station. So I picked out 4 of these. That's all I could find. And if I would have found more, I would have bought more. But this is all I found before we got tired, because we were like walking around, I guess, for like 2 to 3 hours, maybe a little longer than that. And so I told her, you don't have to open anymore. So I have one here that's not even open. I don't even know what's in it, so it will be a surprise. So let's see what I got. Okay, they were all this kind of stuff. And this one was pretty banged up, so I made sure she opened it and showed it to me. And this one, she also showed me. So let's start with this one. I don't remember. I think I remember what's in them, but I don't remember which box has which. So, oh, look at my snowman. I got a snowman. And he's got some, and I think this is all crystals. Yep, they've got crystals. So we've got the teardrop, we've got the plain circle crystals, and it comes with a stand. So, and he's holding a present. So let me see let's look at the colors. Okay, here's our stand. It's a pretty thick stand too. Here's your toolkit. And then our colors. They're all crystals. I'm pretty sure every one of them are crystals. Look at those. And then we got big ones. Oh, and large pearls. Nice. Nice. This is nice. I'm very happy with this. I am going to keep the toolkit in there. My mother-in-law also, I don't need this. She completed the Sesame Street stickers. They were rounds, and I introduced her to the vacuum pen, and she said she might actually diamond paint more because of that vacuum pen. She said it was so easy. So, yeah, I consider that a win. Okay, now for this banged up one. I did take it because it had all the pieces and parts in it. But that's why I was opening it, to make sure that all the pieces and parts were in it. Because you just don't know. So there's your toolkit. Trying to get everything out. Here's your stand. And here's our drills. And they're all crystals. What? Where are you? Oh no, I didn't notice. This is broken. Okay. But I think I can. Oh, that's the back. So I can. All right. All right. Let me fix this. It's broken. I must have broken it because when she showed me at the store, it was not broken. Okay. So I'm going to try to fix it. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to try. Okay. That goes like that. And that goes like that. But isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Well, I can do most of the cat. This is, I mean, this furry part of the tail is what's missing. But I think I still like it. It's a shame it's broken, but I can tape this back. I can tape it here and make it stay, and it will be fine. Yes, it will be fine. Oh, it is so cute. So I'm not going to put it back in this box. Yeah, this box is in really bad shape. So I'm going to find another box for it. And here is the colors for my kitty. Now, I haven't even told Love My Family that we went to a bin store. Yeah. Actually, I think I did. I think I called her to rub it in. Okay, here are some colors. These are all crystals. Yeah, I'm not worried about the cat. I can tape the backside and it'll stay. Like with shipping tape. Let's do it over here. Pretty. Oh, here's our really special ones. And then we have pink teardrops. Nice. So yeah, I will fix her. I am going to be able to complete it. Yep. I think I broke it because she pulled it out of the package. And if I would have seen it, I probably wouldn't have bought it. But so that tells me that maybe I broke it. So it is what it is. I'm looking for, okay, we're just going to write it with this. Cat. So that's my cat. And I'm going to put her in another box. Okay, here is another one. Ooh. This has got a fancy stand. The only thing is I hope I don't have two of these. But I might. Like I said, I didn't open this one. Nice. Here's your toolkit. And it comes with your baggies. Because the girl did tell me the codes on the back were different. So the pictures could be different. And actually this didn't have a code. Just kidding. She told me that there was a couple of different images out there. So I was just like, nah, this box is the best box that was out there. So I was like, don't even worry about opening that one. Whatever's in it, I'm going to be happy with it because it's going to be it's going to be like a stand-up with special drills. So, oh, wow, I've never seen these before. Okay, let's get to these. Okay, here's some more. The slivers. Have you ever worked with these slivers? Here's these pearls. I love these pearls. Crystals. Crystals. Oh, regular drills. Regular drills. More crystals. Very nice. Very nice. So if I have two of these, I know someone who diamond paints that would absolutely love this set. So we'll see. All right. Look at that stand. That is top notch. Because it will go in here. Nice. All right, I'm going to put this one back in the box. And let's turn it this way. So far, I am very pleased. All right, that is this one. Okay, now the last one. Is it taped? Let me try the other. How about this side? Yeah, see, I haven't opened these. I haven't checked this one. Okay. Okay, you ready? The pearls. Nice stand. Oh, it's another one. It's another one of these. Huh. Are they different? I don't think so. I feel like she's different here. I don't think it is different, but it's probably just my brain. Nope, it's the same. It's the same. Yep, really nice stand. And I think I know someone that would like this one. Let me know in the comments, would you like this one? Let me know. Is this your cup of tea? Do you like the Nightmare? What is it? The Nightmare Before Christmas? Let me know. And you've already seen the drills because they have that sliver of a drill I just showed you guys. So that is what I found at the bin store. I am like I said, I'm going to fix this cat. I'm going to tape it on the back. Hey, I just kind of made a rhyme. I'm going to tape it on the back, and we should be in business again. So I'm not too worried about it. I think it will be just fine. And yeah, I think we're just going to go with it. Yep. Well, I hope you all are doing well. It's been a minute. Well, no, it hasn't. Not really. I've been visiting with mother-in-law, and I just had a bunch of videos that I batch record when she was on the way. So you guys didn't even know I wasn't even here. Well, I'm here now. I am pampered with diamonds. Please, if you like this content, like and subscribe. Leave me comments and let me know, do you like The Nightmare Before Christmas? And have you ever seen those little sliver diamonds before? All right, I'm gonna go. I'm getting out of here. And you have a wonderful day and be kind to everyone.